Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel and in this video we'll be having a look as to what's in store for you in the coming days of May. And as now I'm on Patreon also, so there will be an extended to this reading on Patreon. The link will be given in the description box below. So if this reading resonates with you, do check out the entire reading on Patreon. And let's get started. So let's see what are the messages for Capricorn. What can be expected? So 3 of Pentacles, 6 of Pentacles, 10 of Wands, the Lovers, the Queen of Pentacles, the Strength, Emperor, the High Priestess, the Page of Wands, Empress, the Fool, and the King of Pentacles. Okay, that's good. So Capricorns, with the 3 of Pentacles, definitely you are I think you are collaborating with people, with your family, your friends. You're taking their opinion, sort of doing some sort of a collaboration or some sort of a teamwork. So getting back together with people, it's something like that, and trying to balance yourself. So what I feel here is, and then we have the second 10 of Wands. So it is like taking the help from your family, from your friends, from your near and dear ones, teaming up with them, teaming up with those people, so that you are able to sort out something in your life. With the 6 of Pentacles, this is your need right now. This is what you are working on. You want to work on the balance. You want to restore the balance in your life. Okay, and you are doing it with the help of certain people, whosoever they are. Okay, and with the help of them, since you are focusing on balancing your life once again, with the 10 of Wands, you really want to unburden something. Okay, and that is what you are doing. You are unburdening yourself. You're wanting to unburden yourself from something you've been carrying. It can be some responsibility, it can be an emotional baggage, but there is something definitely which is being called for to be unburdened. Here the guidance can come up is that if you want, you can look in for your family and friends, and that is what you are doing, so that they may help you. Or if it is something professional, you need to assign the task to somebody else also who can help you in this unburdening. So you are feeling burdened over a situation which you've been carrying since long. Maybe you've been carrying this responsibility for a long time. Whatever it was, now it's high time. You want balance back in your life. You want to unburden yourself. Okay, if you want, you can assign it to somebody else, but I think you're already doing it with the help of your family and friends. And then we have the Lovers. So definitely there is a relationship over here. There is a relationship which is sort of long term, at least more than 6 months or any years or so. Okay, so this is there is a relationship over here, or at least you have a choice here, because lovers can talk about choices also. So maybe you have a choice as to what to do, what not to do in a particular situation. Whatever is burdening you, it can be that also. So maybe that is a decision you need to make, or a choice you need to make over here regarding a connection. It can be that also. Okay, with the Queen of Pentacles and the Strength, so definitely you are thinking about, what I'm getting here is you are into, there is a situation over here, as I said, you're trying to unburden yourself, which is not easy. It's requiring a lot of strength, and you are really thinking about it. You are taking that time off, thinking about this, contemplating as to what should be done. Or it may be, if you're unburdening yourself regarding this relationship, if this is the thing which is the reason for it, then you are, it's not easy, but you are doing it because you know that you have to deal with this situation. That's what I'm getting. And here we have the Emperor and the High Priestess. So what I am getting here is, overall, that it is a tough decision. You have to take it. It's not easy for you to unburden yourself or get back on track or balance your life again, or have a sort of a restart. That's what I'm getting. It's not easy, but then you know that you have to do it, and you are doing it strictly. You're following that you're following what you feel is right for you. You are doing it anyway. Maybe you've been dealing with somebody who was very bossy or dominating. It can be that, or maybe you were the person, you want things your way, But whatever the thing is, you want to get back on track. This is, maybe you are even getting back the control of your life. So what I am getting here is, for most of you, since you are sorting out your life back, maybe there is a connection over here, a new one, and you really need to make a choice, perhaps in between two. It can be as simple as that. Whatever it is, whatever it means for you, we'll clarify that on Patreon, what this lovers is actually. But whatever the situation is, even if you don't have a choice over here, or there is nobody new, then still you are trying to, maybe this was your past connection from which you want to unburden yourself, and it is a time to take a decision over here, which you are trying to deal with the situation which was burdening you, sort of. So what I'm trying to say here is that with the lovers being there, it can be a relationship which is not working out perhaps, and you want to take decisions to balance your life back, and you are doing it anyway, getting back to control. Or really you have two options as to which one to choose. So it can go both ways, different for different people. With the High Priestess, definitely you are trying to take a decision here, trying to listen to your inner voice. And what your inner voice says is, with the new Page of Wands, you want a new beginning, you want to step ahead in this relationship. Okay, you want to make a move, you want to make a forward move. And with the Empress, the Fool, and the King of Pentacles again. So definitely there is a, once you make this small step ahead, once you take a step forward here with the Empress and the Fool, definitely you have a new beginning coming in, which is going to give you a lot of abundance, prosperity, happiness. And with the Fool, that you have to take that first step, you have to take that risk of taking that first step forward, that you have to do. Okay, you have to take the first step, you have to take those calculated risks, do not rush in like a fool. Then you have to think about how to move on, how to move ahead, but then you are willing to do that. If you are ready to take that first step forward, if you are ready to take that risk ahead, you are being promised a lot of abundance and happiness over here. And with the King of Pentacles, definitely you are getting back to stability. Okay, you will get back your stability once you are able to take this leap of faith, and once you are able to take this first step. One more thing which I am getting here with the Emperor and the King of Pentacles. So definitely here, some of you may be dealing with somebody who's been very, very dominating. For some of you at least this goes. Okay, let's see what is the message from this deck. Yes, with the Two of Clubs here, this is definitely a lover's connection here. This is something which is definitely a relationship here. Okay, now here this is a passionate communication. It can even be an argument. Okay, in this case, I don't know if it is regarding, if you're talking to someone whom you want to unburden yourself from, then maybe it is a debate or an argument. And if you're talking to somebody here who, if you really have somebody new in your life, then it can be a passionate communication. So again, it is different. We'll be clarifying things. We'll dig deeper on Patreon regarding this, because somebody may only be dealing, some of you may only be dealing with a single relationship and trying to just energetically start afresh. Maybe you really don't have anybody in your life right now. Okay, for some of you definitely, and that person may come in once you are able to step ahead and make a move, that's for sure. Okay, the energies are there for that. For those of you who already have somebody here and you're trying to take a decision which one to choose, then you really, I think, need to go for the newer one. So let's see what is the guidance from the angels. Helper of action. You blessed with many wonderful things to do. It would be great if you take the time to plan first, but probably you don't have the time. So get busy, follow your instincts and have fun. You or someone you meet is very self-assured, capable and enthusiastic, and can do anything with a smile. So that is the guidance from the angels. So Capricorns, will dig deeper on Patreon. The link is given in the description box below. So if you wish, you can join me there. And if you are just willing to stay here on YouTube, then again, thanks for being here and hope it helps. Bye.